Since I was little, I have always wanted to do many things. And I have always dared and I have longed to be head of nothing. Eh, but sad there has not been enough money to be able to start a career. Um, Another thing that I have wanted to practice it as child was skiing and swimming. Uh, this sport always my daylight theme. Unfortunately, I call the practices the sport. Uh, another another thing I have always wanted to do is be dancer. We when I was little, there was a dance academy in me down, but do that, but down to money problems I call and there. My other thing that I've longed for since I was little it is traveling to the most beautiful place in the world, the Amazon in Colombia. Eh, the, this, this is a wonderful place uh, where many people I have traveled and I have classified it as a still land of the world. I have also dream of being able to give my family a bit better life. Eh, I have never felt so much desert together. I had an healthy family, um, so so in order to fulfill my dreams, which which I know I can still fulfill it. I have been studying and working to be able to travel much and be able to buy a house.